Hello everyone, welcome back to the Medi Queries. I'm Suchitra. Today's topic is one of the most interesting and the advanced drug delivery systems in the modern pharmaceutics. That is magnetically modulated pulsatile drug delivery system. In this video, we will learn what it is, principle, components, working mechanism, advantages, disadvantages, applications, real life examples. And finally, I will also show you how to prepare a beautiful handwritten brochure for this topic. So watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Magnetically modulated pulsatile drug delivery system. So first let us understand the meaning of this long name. Magnetically modulated means the drug delivery is controlled using an external magnetic field. So pulsatile means the drug is not released continuously. Instead, it is released suddenly in a burst or pulses whenever needed. So this system releases the medicine only at the required time using a magnet. So it is therefore called a smart drug delivery system. So what is it? Now let's understand the definition. A magnetically modulated pulsatile drug delivery system is a smart drug delivery system in which an external magnetic field triggers the release of the medicine at the desired time and the desired target site. So think about insulin. Patients does not need insulin continuously every minute. They need it only when the blood sugar increases. Similarly, this system waits inside the body. So when a magnetic field is applied, the drug is released immediately. So without the magnetic field, the medicine remains inside the capsule only. So this provides controlled drug release. So what's the principle? So now let's understand the principle. So inside the capsule, there are magnetic nanoparticles. So these particles are sensitive to magnets. So when an external magnet is brought near the body, so the magnetic particles start moving. So because of this movement, the polymer membrane stretches opens or becomes permeable. So once the membrane opens, the drug comes out quickly. So after removing the magnetic field, the membrane closes again. So and drug releases stop. So the principle is very simple. Magnetic field, particle movements, membrane opens and the drug will be released. Okay, so this is the simple principle. Now let us see the components. There are mainly 4 components. Drug reservoir. So this mainly stores the medicine. And second component is the magnetic nanoparticles. So these respond to the external magnetic field. And third component is the polymer membrane. So it mainly controls the drug release. It opens only when stimulated. And the fourth component is the external magnet or electromagnet. So this mainly controls when, where and how much drug should be released. So together these 4 components makes the complete system here. Now let us understand the complete working step by step here. In step 1, the drug is loaded inside the capsule. In step 2, the magnetic nanoparticles are mixed with the formulation. And in the third step, the capsule is administered into the body. And in the fourth, initially the membrane remains closed, no drug is released. And an external magnet is placed near the target organ. So the magnetic particles respond immediately and the membrane will open. So the drug comes out rapidly here. So once the magnet is removed, the drug release stops. So this is why it is called on-off drug delivery. So once again I am repeating the steps. So first the drug is loaded inside the capsule and the magnetic nanoparticles are mixed with the formulation here, and next the capsule is administered into the body. So initially the membrane remains closed and the no drug is released here. An external magnet is placed near the target organ. So the magnetic particles responds immediately and the membrane opens and the drug comes out rapidly. So once the magnet is removed, the drug release will stops. Okay. So this is why it is called the on-off drug delivery. Is it clear? Now just move on to the next. That is how it works. So let's observe the diagram carefully here. So before magnetic field, the capsule remains closed and no medicine comes out. So after applying that magnet, so the magnetic particles move and the membrane opens. The drug starts moving out. So after removing the magnet, so the capsule close again. So drug release stops here. So the external magnet acts like a switch here. Switch on, drug released. Switch off, drug stops. So very easy to remember. Now let us see the advantages. It's a precise drug release. So only required dose is released. And the next advantage is targeted drug delivery. So the drug reaches the affected organ directly here. And reduced side effects. So healthy tissues receives a less medicine. And next advantage is better patient compliance. So the patients need a fewer doses. Okay, so that's why it's a highly favorable for the patients to take. So useful in the chronotherapy, that is medicines can be released at a specific period of time. Okay, and the next advantage is it is non-invasive control, that is doctors can control drug release externally. Okay, so all these are all the various advantages of this formulation. And next one is disadvantages. So every system has some limitations. First, an external magnet is required, and second is manufacturing cost is very high. Third is a complex formulation design, and the magnetic field may not reach deep tissues effectively here. And finally, the large scale production is difficult. So now let us see where it is used. In case of cancer therapy, drug is released only near the tumors. It is also used in the diabetes to control the insulin delivery. And hormone therapy, timed hormone release is needed. And in case of pain management, so the drug released only during severe pain. Okay, and chronotherapy, that medicines are released according to the body's biological clock. Okay, so that therapy is known as chronotherapy. And next one is the targeted drug delivery. So the drug reaches only the diseased organs. So these are the main applications of this formulation. Let us see the examples. Some important examples are, so the magnetic nanoparticles based drug carriers. So the magnetically triggered implantable drug reservoirs, and ferrozole based pulsatile drug delivery systems. Researchers are also developing smart implants that release the medicines only when activated by the magnets. So this is one of the future technology in the pharmaceutics. So let us see the real life uses. Imagine a patient with an intestinal cancer. So instead of giving medicines throughout the body, so a magnetic capsule is placed near the affected area. So the doctors place an external magnet over the abdomen. Only then the capsule release the medicine exactly at the diseased tissue. So this increases the treatment efficiency and reduces the damage to the healthy organs. This is biggest advantage of the magnetically modulated drug delivery. So let us summarize today's topic. So magnetically modulated pulsatile drug delivery system is an advanced smart drug delivery technology. It provides a targeted control and the time-specific drug release. So it improves the therapeutic efficiency and minimizes the side effects. So although it has some limitations, it has a great potential in the future medicine. So now let's prepare a small handwritten brochure. Students take an A3 white chart, write the title at the top using a colorful sketch pens, and draw one large magnets on the left and draw one small capsule on the right. So in the middle, draw a simple capsule with a magnetic particles below that. So make only 3 headings. So what is it, principle, and how it works. So write the definition in 3 or 4 short points, and draw a magnet above a capsule and show the particles moving out using arrows in the principle. So how it works, draw a 5 small pictures like drag loaded, magnet applied, membrane opens, drag released, magnet removed. Finally, decorate the poster using arrows, small medicine icons, magnetic field lines, and different colored headings. Okay, keep the text short and let the diagrams explain the concept. Okay, so this makes your poster very attractive and easy to understand, and presentation ready. So here I'm giving some sample postures. I hope today's video helped you understand the magnetic modulated versatile drug delivery systems in a simple and easy way. So if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Medi Queries. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our pharmacy lectures, so GPAT preparation videos and educational posters. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.